In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Timeline View for sales in Monday.com. Timeline View is a helpful way to visualize your sales deals across time. So instead of looking at rows of information only, you can quickly understand when deals start, when they are expected to move forward, and where timelines may overlap. This can be especially useful for tracking sales cycles, planning follow-ups, and keeping a clear view of deadlines inside your pipeline. To begin, log into your Monday.com account and open your sales pipeline board. In this example, we're working directly inside the sales pipeline, since that's where your deals are already organized. Starting here makes it much easier to prepare your data for a timeline-based view. Once you're inside the board, click the plus icon to add a column. Before using Timeline View effectively, your sales pipeline needs to include date-based information. That's important because the timeline depends on start and end dates to display each deal across a time range. If your board doesn't already have the right date set up, this is the point where you make sure those date columns are available. After clicking the plus icon, type in timeline, and then select it from the available column options. This adds the timeline functionality to your board so each deal can be mapped visually across specific dates. It's a simple step, but it gives you a much clearer picture of how your sales activity is spread out over days or weeks. Next, set the timeline for a specific deal or task. For this example, choose the 20th of July as the starting date. This marks the beginning of that deal's timeline and helps define the window in which the opportunity is active. Using realistic dates here is important because your timeline becomes much more useful when it reflects your actual sales process. Then set the ending date to the 27th of July, 2026. With both the start and end date selected, the timeline for that deal is now established. You'll be able to see its duration visually, which makes it easier to compare against other deals and spot scheduling conflicts or heavy periods in your pipeline. From there, do the same thing for the other deals in your sales pipeline. Assign a timeline range to each one so your board becomes a complete visual schedule of active opportunities. As you build this out, it becomes much easier to monitor progress and stay organized. That's how to use Timeline View for sales in Monday.com. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.